Ah, Boom, what's up guys, it's your boy T was back for another video. And today we got our first green day on the alpha account. Yeah, we made $343, $47. We had 2 wins, 1 accidental trade, it was a break even, and 2 losses. So yeah, I'm gonna get into the trade recaps, but first I just want to let you guys know I did a lot of research over the weekend in regards to this alpha account, the zero. I definitely got it mistaken in regards to the payout cap and the payout rules and stuff like that. So apparently there's no buffer. You don't need a buffer to take a payout, so that's pretty sick. But it's a $1,500 cap for the payout. So yeah, and there's a 40% consistency rule. So doing that, I kind of structured a kind of program how I'm gonna work to get this payout. So basically every day I'm going to be going for $300 to $800 green day. So those are my targets so far and what I'm planning on, how I'm planning on trading this account. Just going to go for payouts, honestly. Not going to really try to build too much of an account, crazy account. And for that reason, I'm risking, today I risked 3 and 7 micros. Luckily the trades I lost, it was 3 micros. But here we go. Start off the first day of the account with a banger trade, 432. Then here's the accidental trade, $4. I was in it for what, 1 second. Yeah, literally. So that was fully accidental. Then we gave back $91. That was the jab. We had a reversal. Then we took another jab. Not too happy about this jab, the second jab. But we took another jab at it, which I can't be mad at. And then we hit a trade here for $100. This trade right here, can't be too mad about. We could have made $400 extra. I just trailed my stop loss, but as I said, can't be too mad. We're still in our target range, so yeah, happy about that. So yeah, today, coming to market open, we came and took out this buy side, the small buy side from around 820, 830. And yeah, we just dumped off after took out all this sell side, took out Asia lows, took out all these sell side here. And yeah, it was pretty bad. Obviously great for anybody that's taking shorts, but I took 2 shots at the reversal, as I said. But as I said, I can't be mad at that. So yeah. So coming into this 1 minute here. Open, we took out these highs, and I'm looking for shorts. Obviously, we're dumping off slowly, but it's still kind of choppy. Like watching this shit today is definitely horrific. Like I said, unless you're shorting. Alright, so coming to the first trade today. I don't know why that's there. It's here. Boom. I wanted to short to Asia lows after taking out this reversing off this 1 minute here, and there's a 2 minute reversal here, or just 2 minute for value cap. Yeah, there's a 2 minute here. But I don't think we tapped in 2 minute. Forget this 2 minute. I think this is for the longs I was looking at. Double checking. Yeah, no. So yeah. We inversed it, yeah. So we inversed this 1 minute. My bad, sorry. And I wanted to see a closure below it. Right. So by the time we got the closure below it, we already took out these lows, and I entered in right here, just targeting Asia lows. That was just free bread. After seeing this bearish movement off of after 9:30. So that was just so free. And then the second trade, somewhere in between here, that was that little break even $4 trade. This trade I did not take, so I've X'd out, but I'm testing out this new model here in regards to when we'll have a continuation into some chop. But I haven't back tested it so far, so I didn't end up taking it, but I just marked it out and it slapped on the sell side here. So yeah, it wasn't too bad. We definitely have to back test this because this would have been a free trade as well. Then this is where I took the 2 shots right here. So we came down, took out the second sell side. Well, one of the sell sides. I'm not gonna start numbering them off. We wicked another sell side. Had a 1 minute gap here, close above. We had a 5 minute gap here. We had a 2 minute gap here. I wanted to see it. This is where I took my shot. I wanted to see it come back up, see a little reversal on the day after being so bearish. Took 1 shot here after the closure. So as you see, I set my break even, set my TP, and we got wicked out here. And then on this same candle, it might be FOMO, but it definitely is FOMO because we didn't have a closure above. I took another shot at it, and we basically just got stopped out again over here. So yeah, that was fine. I was happy with the shot. Definitely not happy with the second shot at it, but I'm happy with the first initial idea of going for that reversal. Okay, yeah, so perfect. So coming into our last trade here, we took a short over here, and watching this chop right here wasn't really like scaring me, but I already gave back 50% of what I made in the morning, so I didn't want to like take too big of a loss here, or like take a full loss here, and I wanted to definitely see green, right? So when we had this first push down, first bearish push down, I trailed my stop loss to this wick here because we started dumping down here. So we dumped down here. I actually dumped to these lows. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna move my stop loss here at the top of this this wick right here, and I'm getting stopped out. And as you see, we hit the full TP, but we didn't. We weren't in it. So we could have made $400 extra there, but I'm not too mad at that, to be honest. We got our first green day, and it's just about taking small steps. Slow motion is better than no motion. Yes, sir. So yeah, here are the stats. Here are the stats. Here are the stats. Once again, the chart. So yeah. I have the in-trade recap for you guys here. I'll play it after this. But guys, if you guys are using Alpha Futures, I just signed up for an affiliate system. Use this code right here, or I'll put it in my face cam on this side whenever I switch over my cams. But guys, use that code. I'll also put the affiliate link in the description. If you guys are copying an account, you guys can get the same discount as all the big guys. I think it's 10%. You guys can get the same discount from me. So support a small creator, support whatever you can. And yeah, here's the trade recap. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.